Good morning on this cold northern Indiana snowy day. As you see behind us, we have another project. This is a friend of ours. It's her 2013, I believe, E450 shuttle bus. I believe it's a Champion body. I think it is on it. Not sure, never messed with these. But this is gonna be our project for next 2 months. Cute little bus. She has a little art business, and we'll link her down below and do an interview with her. Here's the inside. She bought this bus built out like this, and then we're gonna just do a remodel upgrade on it, basically. So what we're doing is we're taking out the floor, taking out the bed. There's a solar. We got a new water heater. We'll probably redo these windows, re-tint them, tear the ceiling out, build cabinets, shower, and all this needs to be done in about 2 months. So we'll keep you updated. This is our next project. Like I said, 2 months, get her done.
It's gonna be fun.
A lot of fun, and it's cold again.
Same time as we started our bus last year. We're used to this.
Hi guys, my name's Gabrielle and my business is A Lost Art. I'm getting my bus done so that I can travel festival to festival and sell my tie-dyes and paintings and stuff. So
We'll see you next week.